What's up, guys? Joe Bro here, back with another YouTube video, and guess what? It's snowing! Well, it stopped snowing. It snowed, but yeah! There's a lot of snow. But, yeah. It's really, really white outside, and it's bright. It's really bright, and yeah, well, I'm just gonna show you. It's a lot of snow. About 1.5 feet. 1.5 feet. That's all. But yeah, it's a lot of snow. Yeah. Plows are still going through off and on. But yeah. What sucks is it isn't really packable snow. Just, it sucks, but yeah, it's really deep. But I'm not going in. I'm in my slippers. I will be later on, though. I got one problem, though. My sled I left out here last time we had this much snow. And then it melted. And now it's somewhere over there. Just right in that area. But that's going to be hard to find. Ooh. It's really nice out, nice and cold. Gotta keep your water bottles out here. The shovels. Ooh. That was a car. Still is a car. Just can't really see it. Oh well. Boom. So, peace out, boys and girls. So, yeah. Snow. It's dark outside. And I'm gonna be an idiot and I'm gonna jump in this. So, yes. Let's do this. That's cold. Oh my god. Jeez. That's cold. Oh. Holy crap. Is that cold? I actually did it too. And I'm not wearing any jacket. I'm very stupid. Please subscribe, dude. Please like this video as well. And share it, because it's cold outside. Peace out, boys.